Easy ways to slim down, your guide to losing body fat. Hey there. Today, let's chat about simple ways to trim down and lose some body fat. First up, focus on what you eat. Swap out sugary drinks and snacks for healthier options like fruits, veggies, and nuts. These foods fill you up without adding lots of extra calories. Next, try to move your body more each day. You don't need to hit the gym for hours. Just take short walks, play outside, or try some fun exercises at home. Moving more helps burn calories and speeds up fat loss. Lastly, get enough sleep. When you're tired, your body craves unhealthy foods and you're less likely to exercise. Aim for around 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to feel refreshed and energized. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. Stay tuned for more tips on reaching your health goals.